Making screenshots using Windows Snipping tool. First of all, make sure that you have the windows or screen that you want to make a screenshot of showing on the desktop. Then click the Start button and type Snip. Click on Snipping tool or press the Return key. There are 4 modes for the snipping tool. You can have freeform snip, where you draw by freehand around the area that you want to snip. The problem with this is it isn't very tidy. The next mode is rectangular snip. You select it by dropping the mode button and then click New. In this mode, you can draw a rectangle around the area you want to copy, and when you let go, it will show you that. For the next mode, I need to have made my window active. I'm going to use a window snip, and for that, when I hover, click New. When I hover over one of the windows that's displaying, when the red line is around it, click, and it will take the whole window, the active window. Once you have your snip, you then need to decide whether you want to copy it to paste into another program, for instance Word, or whether you'd like to save it. If you go to File, Save As, you have the option to save your picture as either a JPEG file, a GIF file, or a PNG file. I'm going to save mine into my pictures and then click Save. If that's all you want to do, that's fine. If you want to notate this at all, so I'm going to choose a black pen, and then a blue pen, I can actually draw around it. I can highlight areas. I can rub out highlights that I've done. And that's how you use the snipping tool. I will show you the snip that we've taken. I'm going to open File Explorer. In the Pictures folder, there's my pop-up window. With that, I can email that to somebody, or I can insert it into a document or another program. Thank you.